Somewhere up there is the drain plug for the diesel tank. Gotta dig some of that mud out of there, looks like. Takeuchi TL240. I never knew he had to drain the sediment out of the tank and the water. Apparently you do that every 500 hours, I think. Those are 250. I don't know, we'll find out. I'll look in the book again, but right now we gotta dig that mud out of there. I'll clean that mud out of there. Clean the mud out of there, but that goes to bottom cab. So apparently, let's jump that way. Apparently there's an axis right here. Still snow under there. Still snow there. Let's get that bolt off there. See what's what. I think we found it. Probably never been done before. Well, I found the bolt. Drain the fuel tank. Clean that up a little bit more. Well, this is from the first couple rounds of dumping the tank, and this is the second or third round. This is the third round to dump in the tank. This is first and second. Just let it drain out fast for a couple seconds and put the plug back in. And I don't have any fuel around here, so I'm not gonna dump too much.